Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get mobile Roblox exploits. We'll go over the general methods people use to find these tools. It's important to understand that these are not official Roblox features and come with potential risks. We'll discuss what these exploits typically offer and the common ways users attempt to acquire them, keeping in mind the security implications for your device and account. When looking for mobile Roblox exploits, many individuals turn to unofficial app stores or online forums. These platforms often distribute modified versions of the Roblox application, known as APKs, which claim to have built-in exploit features. Alternatively, some users seek out script executor applications. These tools are designed to inject custom scripts directly into the game, allowing for various in-game modifications. It's crucial to be aware of the significant risks associated with using mobile Roblox exploits. Firstly, Roblox has a strict policy against such modifications, and using them can result in a permanent ban of your account. Secondly, downloading applications from unverified sources poses a serious security threat. These files can contain malware or viruses, potentially compromising your device and personal data. Always exercise extreme caution. Instead of seeking exploits, consider enjoying Roblox through its intended and safe channels. There are millions of legitimate games and experiences created by talented developers. Supporting these creators by purchasing in-game items through official means helps foster a positive community. Focus on developing your skills, exploring new games, and engaging with the community in a way that respects the game's rules and ensures a secure experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.